Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marvel's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the Halotel Tanzania APN settings that will make your internet speed 5 times faster than your actual internet speed right now. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, liking the tutorial and sharing it to your friend. So if you have a SIM card, if you have a router that is for Halotel Tanzania, kindly stay tuned for the next moment. So first step, we're going to open our phone in settings, and then we look for connections, then mobile networks, and then access point names, then press the plus button. So the name we're going to use is Halotel, then internet, Halotel internet, that is our name, then 5G. Even if your device is a 4G device, a 3G device, a 5G device, so use 5G so that you can be able to unlock the 5G speeds on your either device, Android, iPhone, or a router. So check OK, and then the APN. Now I'm going to be guiding two people right here. So if you're using a device, like me, Android, iPhone, put APN as internet. So if you're using a router, a modem, or a tablet, you're going to use B, then a / then internet. Only when you're using a tablet, a modem, or a router. But me, I'm using a device, so I'm going to keep in internet. Then check OK. Now the proxy right here, we're going to use 0.0.0 as like that. So the port you're going to use 8080, and then the username we're going to use a Halotel, and then the password we're going to use a Halotel, and then the server right here we're going to use http://www.halotel.co.tz, and then check OK. So the MMSC we're going to use http://10.1.0.20.8080/was, and then the MMS proxy, don't forget to put 10.12.0.20, then check OK. And then the MMS port, don't leave it blank, just put 8080. Now the MCC right here, you're going to put 640, and then the MNC you're going to use 04, that is Halotel's carrier code. Then authentication type, we're going to use PAP or CHAP or PAP, like that. And then the APN type, we're going to use default, SUPL, then check OK. And then the APN protocol, we're going to use IPv4, and the roaming protocol, APN protocol IPv4, and the APN roaming protocol IPv4. The bearer, just use LTE, and then the mobile VPN, or the mobile virtual network operator type, put to none. Then after, save those internet settings. By saving, we would have unlocked the 5G device, the 5G speeds on your device. So let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maristic and I sign out.